Britain is overcrowded. If the population continues to grow at this rate, then by the year 2015 we will need an A to Z for something as simple as the queue in a post office. But you can stop this now by ensuring you
dump your fridge.
It's simple. This is little Johnny. He's playing hide and seek with his friends. See how they hide in complete safety. Behind a tree, in the tool shed, or behind a tree. And then it's home for beans on toast. But think, little Johnny could one day be one of those faces stopping you from buying a stamp or sending a package. Stop Johnny now!
Dump your fridge.
If you purchase a new refrigerator, there are many ways of discarding your old one. Taking it to the local waste disposal site. Having a friendly council representative remove it for you. Or taking it to the local waste disposal site. But wait! A simple step could help stop future overcrowding.
Dump your fridge.
By simply leaving your old fridge in the street, you have supplied little Johnny with an exciting and dangerous new hiding place. Starved of oxygen, he dies. There are no beans for Johnny tonight. People of Britain,
dump your fridge.
and keep Britain's queues a happy place.